Namaskar. Today we will doing the process of acquisition, that is अधिग्रहण की प्रक्रिया. See, the use of acquisition to redirect and reshape corporate strategy has never been greater. कॉरपोरेट रणनीति को पुनर्निर्देश और पुनर्व्यवस्थित करने के लिए अधिग्रहण की उपयोग कभी भी अधिक नहीं रहता है. Means the use of acquisition. When we are saying about acquisition, we had already discussed in the last classes that acquisition means the problem which we are facing, how to overcome or overrule the problems that we will be sorting out in acquisition. Acquisition means the problems. So how to redirect and how to reshape that we will be learning in this topic. In the many managers today regards taking colleges or universities for access to market products, technology resource or management talent as less risky and speedier than gaining the same objectives through internal efforts. That means कई प्रबंधक आज आंतरिक प्रयासों के माध्यम से समान उद्देश्यों को प्राप्त करने की तुलना में बाजारों, उत्पादकों, प्रौद्योगिकी संसाधनों या प्रबंध प्रतिभा तक कम जोखिम वाले और त्वरित पहुंच के लिए कॉलेजों या विश्वविद्यालयों को लेने का संबंध रखते हैं. Means the head managers means the head of the colleges or the institutions or the universities have the process to access in the marketing field. Means they have to see what are the right things for the colleges or the universities to meet, what are the problems they are facing in today's world and how to overcome that. In the market we will see what type of product I want. Means like we are having educational institute, so what type of product here means if the students are meeting the quality, meeting the need of the colleges or universities, whatever have been mandate for the colleges and universities, or the technology, is it feasible for all the institutions or the colleges, universities to have the technology whatever they want. Okay, the resources are there in the college or not, the infrastructure. Here the resource means like the IT sector, which should be very prompt in nowadays. Then the resource as a classroom should be there or not. Is there sufficient classrooms, sufficient benches, desks? All these are the resources. The teaching aids in the schools are there or not. Or management talent means the principals or the committee members, they are meeting the need of the schools, institutions, colleges, universities or not. They are quite intelligent in the work. They are meeting the needs as talent as less risky and speedier than gaining some objectives through internal efforts. Means it should be less risky. Means the students should be qualified enough for meeting the need. They should be getting more marks and gaining the knowledge, good knowledge from their own areas, and at the same time they are meeting the through internal efforts they will be meeting. Means the college and the institution is supposed to meet the need of the students. Now, although we are seeing more acquisitions on a larger scale more often than ever before, many studies shows that these deals do not live up to their advocates' expectation. Means here I am saying, okay, let's read the Hindi one also. यद्यपि हम पहले से कहीं अधिक बार बड़े पैमाने पर अधिक अधिग्रहण देख रहे हैं, कई अध्ययनों से पता चलता है कि ये सौदे उनके अधिवक्ताओं की उम्मीदों पर खरे नहीं उतरते हैं. Means though we are taking the seeing the acquisition, means what are the problems we are seeing, but then also we are seeing that it is in a larger scale. It should be in a, we have to reduce it and make it in a small, okay, problem will be there, but we have to reduce the problems, okay, often than before. Means whatever problems we were facing in the earlier years, we are facing more problems in nowadays, okay. And we are seeing many studies shows that these do not live up to their advocates experience. Means the schools, colleges, institutions, universities, it is seen that there is a large number of offenses or the problems in these areas, but we are shorting it out. Then also it is in a large scale, it is not meeting the need of the institutions, colleges, schools, or universities. So we have to work on this a lot. Thank you for today.